Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soldering stations that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Yihua M170 heat-resistant soldering mat. While this isn't a traditional soldering station, it's an ideal budget-friendly accessory for anyone working with soldering irons. With a price tag of just $16.99, this mat offers excellent heat resistance, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for protecting your workspace from burns and heat damage. The design is highly functional, featuring multiple storage slots for tools, screws, and electronic components, as well as magnetic zones to keep small items secure. It also includes a built-in ruler and PCB slot for precise measurements and stable placement of printed circuit boards. The soft silicone material is flexible, durable, and easy to clean, ensuring long-term usability. While the Yihua M170 is not a comprehensive soldering station, it's a fantastic add-on for beginners or professionals looking to organize their workspace. Its affordability and practicality make it a must-have for hobbyists working on small electronics. However, since it's not an active soldering tool, it won't replace the need for a good soldering iron or station. Pros include its durability, heat resistance, and thoughtful design, while the lack of active functionality is the obvious con. At number 4, we have the Curts Weaker 100-watt digital display soldering iron station kit. Priced at $29.99, this soldering station is an excellent mid-range option for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. It features fast heating with an adjustable temperature range of 356 Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit, ensuring precision and flexibility for various soldering tasks. The LED temperature display adds convenience, allowing users to monitor and adjust settings easily. The design is compact and includes essential tools like helping hands, solder wire dispenser, cleaning sponge, and a solder sucker. The ergonomic handle and silicone sheathing enhance user comfort and safety during prolonged use, while the auto sleep feature helps conserve energy and prolong the lifespan of the soldering iron. Additionally, the upgraded steel pipe design includes vents for faster cooling, making it more efficient. This station is ideal for beginners and intermediate users looking to tackle electronics repair, DIY projects, and crafts. While it's packed with features, the build quality is slightly lightweight compared to premium models, and it lacks some advanced functionality like hot air rework capabilities. Pros include its affordability, fast heating, and comprehensive toolset, while cons lie in its limited advanced features and lighter build. Coming in at number 3 is the Yihua 9263 60-watt digital display soldering iron station kit. Priced at $42.99, this station is a solid choice for those who want a reliable, feature-packed soldering solution. It boasts fast heating with PID temperature stabilization, offering a temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit. The integrated digital display ensures precise control, while features like sleep mode, temperature calibration, and degrees Celsius degrees Fahrenheit make it user-friendly. The design is compact and space-saving with an integrated soldering iron holder. Metallic protective mesh. The 12-in-1 kit includes 6 soldering tips, lead-free solder wire, ESD-safe tweezers, a solder sucker, and more, making it a comprehensive package for beginners and experienced users alike. The build quality feels robust, and the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended sessions. This station is perfect for electronics repair, DIY projects, and crafting. Its versatility, safety features, and comprehensive kit make it a great value. However, it lacks hot air rework capabilities, which might limit its use for advanced soldering tasks. Pros include its precision controls, safety features, and toolset, while cons are the absence of a hot air gun and slightly higher price compared to basic models. At number 2, we have the Weller WE1010NA 70-watt digital soldering station, a premium offering from one of the most trusted brands in soldering. Although the price is unavailable, this station is packed with advanced features that justify its reputation. With 40% more power than older models, it heats up quickly and ensures consistent temperature stability within plus or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for precision soldering. The design is sleek and professional, featuring an intuitive LCD display, standby mode, and password protection for settings. The high-performance 70-watt soldering iron is lightweight and comes with a heat-resistant silicone cable for improved safety and handling. The kit includes a safety rest with a sponge and a screwdriver-style tip, offering versatility for various soldering applications. This station is geared toward professionals and serious hobbyists who demand reliability and performance for detailed electronics work. Its standout features, like temperature lock and energy-saving modes, make it a top contender in the market. Pros include its durability, precision, and advanced functionality, while cons are limited to the higher price range and lack of hot air rework capabilities. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEP882D Soldering Iron Station 2-in-1 SMD Hot Air Rework Station. Priced at $52.99, this station stands out as the most versatile option on our list. Combining a soldering station with a hot air rework station, it offers precision temperature control for both tools, with individual LED displays and adjustable settings. The hot air gun is perfect for tasks like desoldering and reworking SMD components, while the soldering iron features a temperature range of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The design is compact, yet packed with features, including sleep mode, standby mode, and automatic shutdown to extend the lifespan of the tools. The kit includes 5 soldering tips, 3 hot air nozzles, 2 spools of solder wire, tweezers, a desoldering pump, and a brass wool tip cleaner, making it a complete solution for electronics work. The build quality is solid, and the ergonomic design ensures ease of use during long sessions. This station is perfect for professionals and hobbyists who need both soldering and rework capabilities. Its versatility and comprehensive kit make it the best value for money, though beginners might find the advanced features slightly overwhelming. Pros include its dual functionality, precision controls, and robust build, while cons are limited to its slightly higher price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.